Hello friend, welcome back to English Easy Peasy. Today we're learning have and has. Let's get started. Have and has are words we use to talk about things we own, feelings, and experience. It's very easy once you know the rules. First, have is used with I, you, we, and they. I have a book. You have a pen. We have friends. They have toys. Next, has is used with he, she, and it. He has a cat. She has a dog. It has a tail. Remember this simple formula. I, you, we, they. Have. He, she, it has. Now, let's practice together. I blank a bicycle. I have a bicycle. She blank a cat. She has a cat. They blank many friends. They have many friends. Good job. Be careful, friends. Many beginners say this wrong. He have a book. Nope, that's not correct. It's he has a book. They has toys. That's not correct. It's they have toys. See, have and has are very easy once you know the rules. Now write 3 sentences using have or has in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.